So about the nomenclature of ethers, okay, starting from nomenclature of ethers. So we have discussed some rules first. So in case of the simple ethers are named as dialkyl ethers. Dialkyl ethers. We know that in simple ethers, this is the alkyl group, this is oxygen, this is another alkyl. If both these are and R dash suppose are same, equal, identical groups are there. Same groups are there. Then in case of these simple ethers, it's named as dialkyl ether. Or you can also name it as, if both are aryl groups, they name as diaryl ethers. Diaryl ethers. Okay, so diaryl ethers or dialkyl ethers. Okay, so in case of simple ether, so very simple, use dimethyl instead of this alkyl group. Suppose here CH3 alkyl group is there, here another CH3 alkyl group is there. Then its name is dialkyl, dimethyl now, dimethyl and followed by the suffix ether. So dimethyl ether is the name, dimethyl ether. Okay. Then in case of the mixed ether, if mixed ether is there, then what is the rule? Yes, if in case of mixed ether, what is rule? So use alphabetical order. In case of common names, we have discussed about common names. So use alphabetical order. Alphabetical order आपल्याला तिथे यूज करायचे आहे. Okay. Suppose here are, this is CH3 suppose. Then oxygen, then here CH5. CH3 or CH5. Then ethyl, methyl ether. E is earlier and M is later on that. Ethyl. This is ethyl group. E is earlier. So E, alphabet, earlier. Then methyl, M. M nantara. Ethyl, methyl and followed by the suffix ether. So its name is ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. Okay. So its name is ethyl methyl ether. Hey, that's a naam. Nik lakshan. So this is about the common names. Common names are given as dialkyl ether. In case of simple ether or symmetrical ether, use dialkyl ether or diaryl ether. दोन्ही aryl groups असतील तर डायफेनाइल इथर असं आपण म्हणू शकतो. दोन्ही अल्काइल असेल तर सेम असतात ग्रुप. सिंपल इथर्स मध्ये डायमिथाइल इथर, डायइथाइल इथर. ओके. देन इन केस ऑफ मिक्स इथर यूज अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर यूज करायचे. इथाइल मिथाइल इथर, इथाइल मिथाइल इथर. ओके. सो ई अगोदर आहे ना अल्फाबेट्स मध्ये, देन एम इज देयर. सो इथाइल अर्लियर, फर्स्ट से इथाइल, then methyl and followed by the suffix ether. So this is ethyl methyl ether. We have discussed that. In case of the IUPAC name, what is the rule? Yes, tell me what is the rule in case of IUPAC name? We have discussed. So the ethers can be named as, yes, ethers can be named as, कसं देतो etherचं name? Yes, alkoxy alkane. Its name is alkoxy alkane. Alkoxy alkane असं आपण नाव देतो. Alkoxy alkane. Alkoxy कुणाला म्हणायचं आहे? Alkoxy is lower alkyl group. Oxygen divalent असतो माहिती आहे. So in oxygen, suppose here methyl group is there, here ethyl group is there. This is lower alkyl group containing only one carbon. This is a higher alkyl group containing two carbons. So this is lower alkyl group. So lower alkyl group is considered to be alkoxy part. Lower alkyl group considered to be alkoxy part. Neat lakshat ठेवा. Lower alkyl group considered to be alkoxy part. Alkoxy part. हे लक्षात ठेवा. Then higher alkyl group is considered to be alkane part. This is higher alkyl group, ethyl group, containing two carbon, and this carbon containing only one. So this is lower alkyl group. This one is higher alkyl group. So higher alkyl group is considered as parent alkane. So ethyl becomes ethane. Ethyl becomes ethane. So its name is methoxy. Lower alkyl group is considered as alkoxy. So methyl becomes methoxy. Methyl becomes methoxy. And alkane is ethane. So methoxy ethane is the name. Methoxy ethane. Okay? Methoxy ethane is the name. Then we have to discuss next one. We have discussed some example also. So another some examples. Suppose simple example we have taken CH3O C2H5. What is the common name? CH3O C2H5. Yes. So this is mixed ether. Okay. Mixed ether. A mixed ether is an example. Mixed ether. Mixed ether का असतं? What is mixed ether? Mixed ether means the oxygen attached to the different alkyl groups. So the ether in which the two alkyl groups attached to the oxygen atom are different, then it is called as mixed ether, or which is also called as unsymmetrical ether. So use alphabetical order. So this is ethyl group, this is ethyl group, this is ethyl group, so ethyl. Then this is methyl group, so methyl, so ethyl, methyl, ether, ethyl, methyl, ether. Its name is ethyl methyl ether. Okay. Then IPAC name. IPAC name is given as alkoxy alkane. So what will be the IPAC name of this ether? Yes. What is the IPAC name of this ether? Yes.
Methoxyethane.
Methoxyethane. Correct name. So it is methoxyethane. Lower alkyl group is methyl group. So methyl becomes methoxy. Ethyl group is higher alkyl group compared to methyl group. And higher alkyl group considered to be alkane part. So ethyl becomes ethane. So methoxyethane is the name. So this is mixed ether. Okay. Then we have to discuss some other examples. We know that suppose this one C2H5O C2H5. Yes. What is the name? What is the name of this compound? Yes. What is the name of this compound?
Diethyl ether.
Correct. This is simple ether. This is simple ether. CH5O CH5. So use diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Then what is the IPAC name? Both are identical groups. So any alkyl group out of these two groups, any one is considered to be alkoxy part and any one to be considered to be alkane part. So ethyl becomes ethoxy. Ethyl becomes ethoxy. And another ethyl becomes ethane. So ethoxy, ethane. Ethoxyethane is the name. Ethoxyethane. Okay. Then next one. CH3O C H2 CH2 CH3. What is the name of this common name? Yes, what is common name? Is Chetna. What is the common name of this
Methyl
compound?
N-propyl ether. Methyl N-propyl ether.
Methyl N propyl.
Methyl N.
Methyl. This is methyl group. N propyl. Methyl N propyl ether. So this is N propyl. We can also written here isopropyl. अगदी सेकंड कार्बनला ऑक्सिजन अटॅच केला असता तर ते isopropyl झालं असतं. So write N methyl is methyl group. It's a normal chain. N propyl ether. What is the IPS name? Yes, Sakshi.
1-methoxypropane.
Yes. Who tell me?
1-methoxypropane.
1-methoxy. 1-methoxy. Yes. Propane. 1-methoxypropane. आता जेव्हा असं काही स्ट्रक्चर असेल ना आयपीएससी मध्ये तेव्हा नंबरिंग करायची असते. नंबरिंग कुठून करायची? ऑक्सिजन अटॅच कार्बनला ऑक्सिजन अटॅच कार्बन जो असेल त्याला फर्स्ट नाही त्याला मिनिमम नंबर आला पाहिजे. मिनिमम नंबर इट शुड गॉट द मिनिमम नंबर. हा मिनिमम नंबर आहे 1. समजा इकडे त्याला 2 पण नंबर येऊ शकतो ऑक्सिजन अटॅचला 2 येऊ शकतो मी आयसोप्रोपाइल केलं तर त्याला मिनिमम नंबर आला. 1 नंबरला काय अटॅच आहे? हा कुठला ग्रुप आहे? हा मिथॉइलला ऑक्सिजन अटॅच मीन्स किंवा कुठल्या अल्काइल ग्रुपला ऑक्सिजन अटॅच मीन्स इट इज कॉल्ड एज अल्कॉक्सी ग्रुप. It is called as alkoxy. Now this is methoxy. At one carbon, methoxy is attached. So 1-methoxypropane. 1-methoxypropane. Okay. Then another one. Suppose this one. This one. What is the common name first? What is the common name?
Ethyl isopropyl ether.
Correct. Ethyl isopropyl ether. This is ethyl group. This is ethyl group. Ethyl. This is isopropyl group. Isopropyl group. So isopropyl ether. Ethyl isopropyl ether. Okay. What is the IPS name? What is the IPS name?
2-ethoxypropane.
2 number. So this carbon oxygen atom. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. The longest chain असेल ना ऑक्सिजनला अटॅच 2 चेन असतात. इथे 3 कार्बनचे इथे 2 कार्बनची चेन. जी लॉंगेस्ट चेन असते ना ऑक्सिजनला अटॅच तिला नंबरिंग करायचं असतं. एक लक्षात ठेवा. Longest continuous chain should be numbered and the oxygen attached carbon must have the least possible number. Least possible number. 1 2 3 असं ते लिहिलं 2 चिल इकडनं केलं तर 1 2 3 2 चिल मग both sides numbering is possible or correct. Okay, so this is 2 carbon. Which group is attached? C2H5O. कुठला ग्रुप आहे? S. This is called as ethoxy. So 2-ethoxy. 2 ला अटॅच काय? ethoxy group. 2-ethoxy. And parent alkene 3 carbon. Higher alkyl group becomes propane. Propane. 2-ethoxypropane is the name. 2-ethoxypropane. Okay, understood? Okay, understood? Yes or no? This is नाही समजलं पुन्हा ऐका. Suppose this type of example is there. असं काही एक्झाम्पल आलं then the higher alkyl group एक असतो आणि एक lower alkyl group ऑक्सिजनला अटॅच असतो. higher alkyl group जो असतो त्याला नंबरिंग करायची. नंबरिंग अशा पद्धतीने करायची की ऑक्सिजन जो आहे हा याला अटॅच हा कार्बन आहे. this must have the least possible number. least possible number कमीत कमी नंबर त्याला येईल त्या एंडिंगनी नंबरिंग करायची. 2 एंड असतात ना इकडचं एक एंड आणि इकडचं एक एंड आहे 2 एंड असतात. मग आपण इकडनं केलं तरी 2 येतो याला. ओके इकडनं केलं तरी 2 येईल. मग 2 ला काय अटॅच आहे आता हा ग्रुप 2 ला अटॅच आहे ना तो कुठला आहे 2 ला इथॉक्सी ग्रुप अटॅच. सो 2 इथॉक्स आणि हे 3 कार्बनची चेन आहे तिचा अल्केनचं नाव काय? प्रोपेन. Propane. Okay, so 2-ethoxypropane is the name. 2-ethoxypropane. Okay, then next one. Suppose Then right. This one. Okay. What is the common name? Two alkyl groups. One is ethyl group, correct? CH3, CH2 means ethyl group. And another alkyl group name is, what is the another alkyl group name? What is
tertiary
the
butyl.
another alkyl group name?
Tertiary butyl.
Tertiary butyl group, correct? This is tertiary butyl group. So what is the common name? This is tertiary butyl group and one is ethyl group. E is there, ethyl.
Tertiary butyl ethyl ether.
Tertiary butyl ethyl ether. Then what is the IPAC name? Numbering करायचे असते आपल्याला IPAC. We know that numbering is there. Numbering कुणाला करतो आपण? Higher alkyl group जिथे असेल त्याला करतो. आता ही numbering आपण करू शकतो. Okay, this is numbering. 3 carbon ची chain select करू शकतो ना आपण. Longest continuous chain किती? 3 carbon. कुठलाही numbering केली तरी 2 ला जाईल. Yes. What is the IPAC name of this compound then? As Sakshi Londe. Sakshi, what is the name? IPAC name?
2-ethoxy, 2-methyl-propane.
Yes, correct. Very good. 2-ethoxy. 2-ethox. At 2 carbon, ethoxy group is attached. CH3, CH2O. 2 carbon la attached. Okay. 2 carbon la attached है box में methyl पर है. So 2-methyl. 2-ethoxy, 2-methyl. And selected chain is of 3 carbon. So its parent alkane name is propane. Propane. Its parent alkane name is propane. So its name, IPAC name is 2-ethoxy, 2-methyl propane. 2-ethoxy, 2-methyl propane. Okay. Then next compound. This one. What is the common name of this compound?
Diphenyl ether.
Di. This is simple ether. So use di. So di. Yes. Then di what?
Phenyl.
That's correct. Diphenyl. This is phenyl group now. This is phenyl group. This one is called as benzene. Hello, benzene म्हणतो आपण. Benzene. This is C6H6. जेव्हा आपण एक सबस्टिट्यूशन झालंय ना इथे ऑक्सिजन अटॅच झालाय त्याला पुढे मग C6H5 झाला. C6H5 झाला. काहीतरी अटॅच आहे त्याला पुढे. A phenyl. This is called as phenyl. So two phenyl groups are there. C6H5 or C6H5. So its name is diphenyl. Then followed by the word. What is the IPAC name of this compound? One is alkoxy.
Phenoxybenzene.
Yes. What is the?
Phenoxybenzene.
Correct. Phenoxybenzene. phenoxybenzene. Okay, this is phenoxybenzene. Then next one. This one. What is the common name? What is the common name of this compound? Yes. What is the
Propyl
common name?
phenyl ether.
Yes. Yes.
Propyl
Yes.
phenyl ether.
Propyl phenyl ether. हे करेक्ट नेम आहे का? येस, हे ॲक्युरेट आहे.
Propyl and
येस,
phenyl and propyl ether.
प्रोफाइल. येस, टेल मी द प्रॉपर
Phenyl
नेम.
and propyl ether.
Yes, sorry. What is the name?
Phenyl and propyl ether.
Phenyl and propyl ether. Phenyl and propyl ether. This is propyl group. Okay, propyl group. Phenyl and propyl. दोन्हीकडे पीच आहे. N propyl phenyl. आता N phenyl घेऊ. pH आहे. Phenyl N propyl ether. P पीच आहे, पण नंतर H आहे, नंतर R, नंतर R आहे. ओके, H अगोदर आहे, नंतर R. Phenyl N propyl ether. What is the IPC name? What is the IPC name? Yes. Yes, tell me, Anuj. Anuj Tormal. What is the IPC name? Yes. तुम्हाला
Propoxybenzene.
प्रश्न पडला असेल. Yes, which is the alkoxy part?
Propane.
Yes, propyl. So tell me the name.
Propoxybenzene.
Yes, correct. So its name is now 1-propoxybenzene. 1-propoxybenzene. It's now 1-propoxybenzene. One number. 1-propox and parent alkane name phenyl चं काय होईल? phenyl मध्ये एक हायड्रोजन ऍड केला की काय होतं? बेन्झीन होतं. C6H5. नंतर काय होतं? H ऍड केल्यानंतर C6H6. So it's benzene. Okay, it is benzene. ठीक आहे, भरपूर आहेत स्ट्रक्चर्स, तुम्हाला हे पाहू शकतात. The next one. Is the example. Yes. Cyclic compound, cyclohexyl group is methyl group. Okay, cyclohexyl group, methyl group. Yes, cyclohexyl, methyl ether. IPC name. What is the IPC name? Alkoxy part.
Methoxycyclohexane.
Methoxy. Yes. Methoxy. Correct. Then this one cyclohexyl group. Parent alkane का है cyclohexyl सा. Cyclohexyl when we add one hydrogen atom becomes cyclohexane. So its name is methoxycyclohexane. Methoxycyclohexane. Okay. Okay. The next one. Suppose the structure is 2-ethoxybutane. IPSC name is 2-ethoxybutane. So write the structure of 2-ethoxybutane. 2-ethoxybutane. Structure लिहा त्याचं काय? Write down the structure. Yes. Write down the structure of 2-ethoxybutane. So 2-ethoxybutane. So butane is there first. Butane is there. So 4 carbon atoms there. 4 carbon atoms. Okay. 2-ethoxy. 2-ethoxy. 2 and butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. 2 ethoxy atoms. Next, OCH. Okay. So this is CH3. This is CH. This is CH2. This is CH3. So this is the structure. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH attached to oxygen, then CH5. OCH5 means ethoxy, which is attached to carbon number 2. Carbon number 2. So it is 2-ethoxy and 4 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. Parent alkane name is the butane. Okay, it is the butane. Okay. याला कॉमन नेम येईल का? कॉमन नेम येईल का याला? Yes. कॉमन नेम येईल का? Yes, 10 minutes left. नाही येणार. येईल का? येईल का? येत असेल तर सांगा मला उद्या. There is no common name for this one. Okay. So this is about the nomenclature of ethers. Okay. Then next, समजलंय सर्व nomenclature we have discussed. We have discussed the nomenclature of alcohols, then phenols, and now ethers. Then we have to discuss now the preparation of the alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. Next point. So next point is general methods of preparation of alcohols. General methods of preparation of alcohols. So in general methods of preparation of alcohols, so some methods we have discussed in haloalkanes chapter. That is first method. From alkyl halides. From alkyl halides. Alkyl halides पासून आपण बोलू शकतो. So first alkyl group is there. From alkyl halides. RH is there. Means alkyl halide. Reacts with suppose KOH. Aqueous KOH. We know that. This is a hydrolysis reaction. We have discussed the chemical reactions of alkyl halides. In that we have discussed from alkyl halide, this alkyl halide. From this alkyl halide, we can prepare the corresponding alcohol. So it gives chimene ROH, this alcohol plus KX. ROH plus KX. This is alcohol. This is alcohol. अल्कोहोल मध्ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप काय असतो OH. हा अल्काइल ग्रुप आहे R म्हणजे याला अल्काइल ग्रुप म्हणतो आपण. Then OH hydroxy group, that is called as alcohol. So this is just the substitution of the halogen halide by the alcohol hydroxy. So from alkyl halides. आता अल्काइल हॅलाइड्स पासून आपण जेव्हा करायची आहे तेव्हा आपण aqueous KOH यूज करू. Aqueous KOH we have used. Then we can also use the aqueous NaOH. Aqueous NaOH पण आपण तिथे यूज करू शकतो. त्यानंतर काय वापरू शकतो आपण? Moist Ag2O, moist Ag2O, silver oxide, it becomes AgOH. It becomes AgOH, silver hydroxide. हे पण आपण यूज करू शकतो. ठीक आहे, AgOH. So aqueous KOH, this is aqueous KOH, and also alcoholic KOH is also there. Aqueous KOH gives substitution reaction. This is substitution reaction. Halogen is replaced by hydroxy group. Substitution reaction. And in case of alcoholic KOH, yes, what is alcoholic KOH? We also discussed alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide. Alcoholic KOH gives, yes, instead of substitution reaction, it gives, yes, elimination reaction. Okay, elimination reaction is formed. Unsaturated product is formed. Alkene is formed. Alkyl group चं काय होतं? Alkene तयार. Alkyl group चं alkene होतं. Propyl group चं propene होतं. Ethyl group चं ethene होतं. Okay. Then examples. First example, CH3Cl plus aqueous KOH. Heat, boil म्हणतात, heat म्हणतात, hydrolysis म्हणतात. It gives CH3OH. हॅलोजन काय होतं? मिथाइल क्लोराइड पासून काय झालंय? मिथाइल अल्कोहोल फॉर्म झालंय. मिथाइल क्लोराइड पासून मिथाइल अल्कोहोल. अल्काइल हॅलाइड पासून अल्कोहोल बनलाय. क्लोरीनच्या जागी आला हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप आला. सबस्टिट्यूशन झालं. के चा पार्टनर होता हायड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप, तो मिथाइल कडे गेला. मिथाइलचा पार्टनर होता क्लोरीन, तो पोटॅशियम कडे आला. बाय प्रोडक्ट KCl. So this is methyl alcohol, or IPAC name is methanol. This is called as methanol. First carbon, only one carbon. So parent alkane name is methane. Parent alkane name is methane, and hydroxyl group is there. So parent alkane name is methane. So E suffix of alkane is replaced by OL. E is replaced by OL. So name is methanol. Another example, C2H5 Br, ethyl bromide plus aqueous NaOH. What happens? Same reaction. Aqueous NaOH. It gives again C2H5OH plus NaBr, sodium bromide. So it gives ethyl alcohol, or IPAC name is ethanol. This is called as ethanol. Ethanol milk or ethyl alcohol. हे आपल्याला मिळते. Okay. Then third one, very simple reaction. AgOH, CH3, CH, Cl, CH. What is the name of this alkyl halide? Plus AgOH. We can have again obtained from Ag2O plus H2O. Ag2O plus H2O असं लिहा ऑर्डर ऍड केलेलं किंवा इन्स्टेड ऑफ H2O यू जस्ट राइट मॉइस्ट माहिती आहे आपल्याला moist Ag2O means water added Ag2O, that is moist Ag2O. Okay, then this halogen again replaced by hydroxyl group, the formation of CH3 CHOH CH3 plus S AgCl. Silver chloride is the product. So this is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. This is isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Then IPC name propane to all. Propane to all. Propane. 3 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So propane at 2 position. Hydroxyl group is attached. So propane to all. Propane to all is name or 2 propanol किंवा त्याला propane to all म्हणतात आजकाल मध्ये तो नंबर जो आहे तो मध्ये टाकतात किंवा 2 propanol तर propane to all is the product. So all these aqueous KOH, aqueous NaOH and the moist silver oxide can be used to form the corresponding alcohol from the corresponding alkyl halides. Okay. लक्षात घ्या नीट टाइम संपत आलाय aqueous KOH aqueous NaOH moist silver oxide हे सगळे आपण यूज करू शकतो आणि प्रत्येकाचा प्रोडक्ट सेमच आहे त्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही डायरेक्ट एक RX लिहिलं RX प्लस आणि 3 एरोज केले आणि प्रत्येकावरती aqueous KOH aqueous NaOH aqueous AgOH लिहिलं आणि प्रोडक्ट एकच लिहिलं ROH तरी तुम्हाला स्टडी साठी बेटर राहील ठीक आहे असं आपण लिहू शकतो फ्रॉम अल्काइल हॅलाइड्स ओके देन इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी हैव टू डिस्कस द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द अल्कोहोल फ्रॉम अल्कीन ओके टाइम आउट झाला नाही अजून ठीक आहे आपण होईल सर So from alkene.